Hello students, subtraction math quiz question. Question number 1, 26 minus 7 is equal to option 1 19, option B 17, option C 12, option D 15. The correct answer is 19. Question number 2, 34 minus 8 is equal to option A 26, option B 24, option 3 25 and option D is 23. The correct answer is A 26. Question number 3, 39 minus 12 is equal to A 25, B 19, C 27 and D is 28. The correct answer is C 27. Question number 4, 42 minus 14 is equal to option A 28, option B 27, option C 29 or option D is 22. The correct answer is option A 28. Question number 5, 38 minus 13 is equal to option A 25, option B 26, option C 29, option D is 28. Correct option is A 25. Thanks for watching.